Hello everyone, my name is Dimitri. In this video I will show you how to disassemble the door on the Toyota Yaris GR version. Let's do this. First of all, we will need a plastic trim tool. Open this plastic section. Just put slightly this tool there and open. And we have one connector, just unplug it easily. And then now we have an access to one bolt, this one. And we will disassemble also, unscrew the second bolt. Let me just open the plastic gently. Do not break and damage it. Okay, here we go. And then use screwdriver. Just put it here. And unscrew. So here it will be one bolt, the black one. And this one would be a different size. So as you can see, those are different. So to avoid any misleading, just put them in a different boxes, this one and this one. Okay. Now we have to unplug this large plastic. Just gently push it up. Yeah, and then move in this direction. See, yeah, this angle. So that's why we start from this side, move it slightly towards the interior, and then put it there. So now we have unscrewed two extra bolts. They're sitting there and there and there. So let's do this. This is the first one. Okay, ready. And then this one sitting there. Okay, just yeah. So totally we have 4 bolts. 3 of them have the similar length. We will never miss this, and one short one, the black one. Okay, here we go. So the next one, we have to trim the door cards. I will use the inflatable wedge, so to avoid any damages on the metal, to create a gap between the metal. Okay, it's ready, so I can put my hands there and start unplugging these clips. Gently, and then we have to move the plastic door card this way. Just be careful. Also, there is one red clip, so we just need to unplug it also. And ready. So before removing, here we will have to unplug and green the bottom. Do not mix them or put in the opposite way, because they're responsible for the different things. So just slightly put it this way with your hand and with the cable disconnect. And there is the last connector that we have to unplug. Or I do this way. I just remove the with the connector.